external reference and OLE concepts, that is object linking and embedding. And we are moving to external reference. What is external reference? Which means we can use PDF, image or any kind of file as reference in AutoCAD for creating a geometry. For that we need to use external reference option in AutoCAD, and I will show you how to use this. Here I am choosing external reference. You can use ER or XR for external reference option. Actually we are using X for the first letter because external reference, simply we can access it by giving XR, enter. So this is the external reference tab. So there you can see file references. Now we are using drawing 1 and it is open. You can see its status. Okay, then I'm going to attach a drawing. If you need to attach a drawing, you can go for a drawing, which means if you need to attach a new drawing, now I will save this drawing. I'm just creating a normal circle and a normal rectangle, then saving it to the desktop. Save in desktop. I'm just saving it in the name drawing 1. Save it. Again I am taking the second drawing. So here you can see I'm just typing external reference XR, enter. There you can see your attachment option. Here I am just attaching the drawing, attach drawing. I'm just choosing it from desktop. There you can see you can attach your drawing here like this. Click open, and it is like attach external reference. It's like an inserting option. If you need it as an attachment, like exactly like a drawing, you can go for attachment. Or if you need it like an overlay, like a carbon paper above our normal paper, you can go for overlay. I'm using attachment when I'm saving this drawing 2. When I'm saving this drawing, no, it's drawing 3. When I'm saving this drawing 3, I need this drawing 1 within my drawing 3. So I'm using attach, and there you can mention your scale for the drawing. That is 1 1 1 in all directions. In X and Y is a direction, it is same in all directions. Or you can go for uniform scale and you can give one scale here. Then insertion point, it is related to the origin, X Y Z, that is related to the origin. You can go for this. You can choose any coordinate, or you can go for origin. And there is no change in path type, that is full path. And if you need to give a rotation for your drawing, you can go for it. And block unit, everything is same here. So that's all about it. Then click OK. So there you can see I attached my drawing here. So the use of this is it is like a reference. So there you can see it, when I am clicking on this shape, it is like a reference. And if you need to edit reference in place, you can go for it, edit reference in place. Then you can edit your drawing here. But the file is already existing on the drawing, which means here it is already open. That's why we can't use here. All right, so this is about attaching a drawing here. Simply we can attach your drawing, and we can change its shape and style or anything from here. Then you can go for save changes and click OK, and this change will be saved in the predefined drawing, which means drawing 1. It is also reflect in drawing 1 automatically. In drawing 1 this change occurs and automatically saves these changes. And I'm using this as a reference only. You can see its color, it is like a faded color, but here I can use it as a reference like this. I'm only using this for a reference only. So that's the use of attaching another drawing in our current drawing. And if you need to remove it, you can go for it. You can right click on it and you can detach the drawing. After that it removes. Also you can attach an image you can go for attach image. Some case we can't create the exact geometry using our own mind and thoughts. We can use another, we need the help of another image or another picture for that, and we can trace the picture and create the drawing. For that you can go for attach image, attach image. Now I am going to take a picture from system pictures. Now there is a sample picture, sample 2. This is my sample picture, and click open. And you can again, you can give its insertion point, scale and everything. I need this in origin, or if you need it in x in 100 and y in 100, you can go for it. I'm just giving it in the screen 000, then click OK. And I can mention the scale factor. If I need twice scale factor, I can go for it. I'm just giving 2, enter. So now I attached my drawing. Simply I attached my drawing. Now simply I attached my image. And if you need to create lines related to this, you can go for it, or circle related to this, you can go for it. Simply you can see this. You can pick another color for more visibility, just using magenta. There you can see this is not exactly I'm creating, I'm just showing it as an example only. So you can trace your image like this. Simply you can trace your image like this. It's not in a perfect form, I'm just showing it as a sample only. You can use it like this. You can use spline for this. I am just using line to show you how it works. And if you need an arc here, you can go for an arc. You can mention the center point, start point, like this. This is not the exact shape, it's just a sample I'm showing. Then you can detach your drawing like this. So click on sample, then detach your drawing. There you can see the traced image or traced geometry here. You can add your image, you can add whatever you need, you can add your picture here and you can trace it like this. Then you can detach your image. Simply we can use this like this. So that is attach image here, attach image. Also you can attach design web format and the DGN format, and also you can attach a PDF, and I will show you attach a PDF here. Before that I am clearing away this. Then I can attach a PDF here. Now go to attach PDF. In attach PDF you can attach a PDF. There's a sample PDF here. I'm just using it. Then click open, and there occurs an insertion tab again. There you can see I can mention all these things here, but I'm not giving anything. I need this in the origin. Then just click OK. So this is a PDF I chose. It's a sample PDF, and I can't do anything here. I can't edit or anything in stuffs here because it is a reference. There you can see this. You can't use anything here. Show underlay, like this. You can use these options. Enable snap, which means you can use the snaps here, which means if I am taking a point, if I am using a circle, I can see the snaps here like this. So this is the use in PDF. Simply I can use all the snaps in this drawing, and I can create it as a reference like this. Simply I can create it using this option like this. All right, and if you need any other, you can go for it like this, like this. So this is how we are adding a PDF drawing in AutoCAD and making it as a reference. In the case of reference, we can't change anything related to the reference. We can use it like this. Simply we can create it like this. But this is not the exact creation. I'm just showing it as a sample. You can use it later in your computer with the proper creation of the geometry. Then click on this show underlay, so there you can see this like this. So that is attaching a PDF to my drawing, and then you can detach it here. So this is all about attachment, attaching drawing, image and PDF. We are not using these kind of options again. If you need a drawing, if you need to attach a image or a drawing in design web format, you can go for this. And this is all about attaching, detaching of external references. Simply you can use this in your drawing. In a complex drawing you can use this, and you can create your shapes and geometries like this. So this is all about attachment and external references, and we are moving to the next option, that is external bind or X bind. So how to use X bind here? So before that, I'm just adding some layers here. Just closing this. I need to save this drawing and I need to attach this drawing. So before that, I am creating some layers here, some layers with some name and color. Creating simple colors for this. You can add more and more colors and more names here. You can go for any other attachments like this. So here we got layers, and I'm just adding layers here. Also, if you need to give a dimension style, you can go for it, dimension style. You can make a new dimension style here. You can go for this. I'm just giving A, B, C, then I'm just giving all the lines and everything here. Just simply I need to show this how it works, that's why. So I made ABC here and setting up this current, then close, then taking a layer, layer 1, then creating this, creating a shape here, and now it's magenta. Put it to by layer color, by layer, then again create the shapes here. You can add more and more colors or layers here. Layer 3, again creating layer 4 and adding some dimensions using my new dimension style, dimension. So there you can see it. I just gave the dimensions to, just showing a sample. You can use it later in your complex drawing or a big drawing. You can use it later. I'm just using like this, go to this, go like this, then giving a radius also like this. So I just created a drawing, simply a drawing. We can't call it like a technical drawing, just a drawing, sample drawing. Save this drawing outside, save, go to desktop, save this drawing. I'm just giving the name sample drawing for this sample, then save this drawing. Again, I am choosing a new drawing. I came across a new drawing. I need to attach that drawing, the previous drawing, the sample drawing in this drawing. Go to external reference, XR, attach drawing, desktop, sample drawing. I need to attach this drawing here. Then click open. Then you can add your drawing here. I'm just giving 0 coordinate 0 0 comma 0. then click OK. Invalid. Oh, so it's about scale factor, sorry. So it's about scale factor, and insertion point is 000. Then click OK. Invalid scale factor, one more time, one, then click OK. So there you can see your drawing. This is the drawing I attached with the current drawing 4. I attached a sample here, loaded. So you know there is different layers and different dimension style and everything, and I need to attach these layers of the sample drawing to my current drawing and dimension style to my current drawing. I need to attach all of the properties I added to the sample to my current drawing. So that's the use of xbind. Go to xbind. So there you can see sample. Here in sample we got if you have block in your sample drawing, you can add it here. And now I got a dimension style, that is sample ABC. I can add this, just add sample ABC. I got different layers, and you can go for different layers. You can add your layers. You can add the reference drawings layers to my current drawing. Click add layer 2, click add layer 3, click add layer 4, click add layer 5, click add. So I added dimension style and layer different layers to my current drawing. And you can add these properties also. If you have a block, if you got different blocks in sample drawing, you can add it here. And if you got different line type, you can add it here. If you got different textile, you can add it here. That is sample standard. These are all standard textile. We don't need to we don't have to add this. So this is all about it. You can add these different properties of your reference drawings in your current drawing by using xbind. You can bind it in your current drawing. That's the use of xbind. And if you need to remove anything, you can just click remove. So I added the dimension style and different layers to my current drawing. Then click OK. Then go to layer properties. So there you can see I binded the layers from the reference drawing or sample drawing like this. You can activate it. There you can see a dollar sign here, which means it is binded from the sample drawing. That's the meaning of this dollar symbol. Also we can see it in dimension style. Go to D. There you can see sample.abc. You can make it in set current and you can use it in your current drawing. So this is the use of xbind in your current drawing. It's a simple way to bind the properties from the sample drawing. Hope you guys understood external reference, XR, and xbind. You can detach this or you can unload this. So this is all about this attach and detach. You can detach it from here, then close. And again I will show you another example. Attach drawing 1, click open, attachment, then click OK. And if you're saving this new drawing, now it is drawing 4. I made it as an attachment, so I'm saving this drawing, just giving a name xxxxx, then save and creating a new drawing. And now I need to open my drawing xxx, then click open. Like there's already this opened here, then click tick off it, this, then go to open xxxxx, click open. So there you can see your attachment is already there because we made it as an attachment. If we are making it as an overlay, we can't see here, just like overlay, just using it as a reference only. But if I'm making it as an attachment, in case of attachment, I will show you once again. If I am using attachment, when I am saving this drawing, the entire drawing with the attachment is saving. I can see the attachment too. If I am using it as overlay, it's like only a reference. After saving, it will be gone. There is no sign of any reference this. For that you can use overlay. I'm using attachment. I need this within my new drawing, so that I'm using attachment. So this is all about this. That is the reference type. You can try it in your system. So this is all about external reference and X bind in AutoCAD.